Hi there, students. To belie, to contradict, to give an appearance that is not true. It comes from the verb to lie, to tell a lie, to say something that's not true. And I think the idea of to belie is to make a lie of. So his calm voice belied how nervous he actually was. So his calm voice is giving a false impression that he's very relaxed and he's not nervous at all. His agility jumping over the walls belied his age. So he was very agile, which made him look like a very young man, but in fact he was quite an old man. It belied it, it contradicted it, it gave it a false impression. Okay, we can also use belie with the idea of to not fulfill a claim or an expectation. So advertising often belies the true quality of a product. It says it's fantastic, but actually it's not really. Okay, so to show as false, the statement of the witness belied his version of events. It proved that his version of what happened was not true. The fact that we are all still using our cars belies our protestations that we want to save the planet. Okay, we keep polluting it, but we say, no, we want it clean, we want to make it clean. So one thing belies another. The report belied the real situation. So it showed the situation in much rosier, much better terms than the situation really was. The beautiful, pristine white snow belied the danger hiding, lurking underneath. So it looked really beautiful, but that didn't actually let you realize that it was in reality very dangerous. So to belie, to misrepresent, to prove that something is not true, to contradict. And notice as well a regular verb: belie, belied, belied, L-I-E-D, and belying, L-Y-I-N-G. Notice this is a formal word. If you use this in an informal conversation, you're going to sound really weird. This is good for a formal writing. I would strongly recommend using this verb for your CAE writing or your CPE writing. This is the type of word that you want to use. It shows that you have a great vocabulary. Giving a false impression, to belie. Well, no. If you can use belie properly, it's not giving a false impression. His use of belie belied his lack of vocabulary. It was the only formal word he knew. Okay, so to belie, to give a false impression. Okay, as I said, it comes from the verb to lie. I don't know the origin of the word lie. Maybe somebody could comment about that. Okay, so to belie, a formal word, a posh sounding word, an intellectual word. Make your essay sound great. Okay, so to belie, to give a false appearance. One thing belies another. His calm voice belied his nervousness. His agility belied his age. The report belied the reality of the situation. using cars belies our expressed desire to live in a clean world. So there you go, to belie. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To belie.